Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is from Smart Touch. This man now book servicing with us. He came. See how we clean the ACs. See the vents. See the blower is very clean. So can you see? Very clean. It is looking new. You see them? So book your servicing with us. We are available to deliver. We are available 24 hours. So book with us. We'll give you what you want. Look at the outdoor unit. Wow, looking like a new one. And these ACs are more than 2 years. You see the way we clean it. It's very, very, very clean. So look at the filter. Wow, looking like brand new. So we're available to serve you better, right? Wow. So we're a group of engineers. We don't disappoint. So delay is dangerous. All right, thank you.